Took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill. Poured the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cards and stuffed animals. Pour the old ginger beer down the sink.
Ay, Tito Rinyo!
One more.
Happy birthday, Tito Rinyo!
Kanta ka, Bibi.
Happy birthday, Tito Rinyo!
Birthday ninyo, Rafael. Sana makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Then, advance happy graduation. Uwi na at mag-celebrate. Ingat and God bless.
Kay Tito Rinyo! Take care! See you soon! I love you!
Hindi pa ano, yan. Okay.
Ninyo, happy birthday ha. Congratulations. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Nins! Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the happiness, good health, success, and good things in life. I hope marami pong blessings and opportunities ang dumating sa'yo. And ayun, super happy kami ni Kate, nila Dalfa, nila team, para sa'yo, of course, sa inyo ni team. And congrats! Ayun, thank you for being such a good friend of mine. Stay what you are, huwag ka magbabago. And ayun, happy birthday ulit. And God bless. Congrats!
Happy birthday sa pogi naming architect. Wish ko lang na sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay at plano. And syempre, huwag kakalimutan humingi ng guide kay Lord kasi siya na naman yung makakatulong sa atin at laging nandyan para sa atin. Nandito lang kami ni Ate Gina, bilang tita mo. Pag may problema ka, punta ka lang sa amin. Kay ni Joyce, syempre. And yun lang. I love you and God bless.
Happy birthday to all, Nins. Sana maging solid ang araw mo ngayon and wish na matupad lahat ng goals, mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And congratulations din kasi gagraduate na. Deserve mo lahat ng mga achievement mo na yan pagkatapos ng lahat ng hirap at mga puyat. Good luck din sa susunod pa na chapter ng buhay mo at sa mga future careers mo. Sana marami pang opportunities na dumating sa'yo at maging successful ka sa landas na pipiliin mo. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan. Sana manatili kang masaya, healthy at blessed palagi. So ayun, enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo. Maraming salamat sa mga palibre mo and babawi ako. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Kuya Ninyo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Ninyo! More birthdays to come!
Hello bro, happy birthday. Wishing you all the success and blessings in life. And congrats also sa graduation. And I'm sure you're gonna ace your board exam, future RT. And yun lang, always remember that we're always here for you. Yung family ko, lagi kang namin gagabayan, lagi kami nandito para sa'yo. And you know, when things get tough, you can approach me, you can approach your family, alam mo naman yan. At yun, sana magkita tayo soon. I know both of us are busy, but if there's time, yun, anytime naman, pwede tayong gumala. At yun, I miss you. Alam mo yan, marami naman tayo ng pinagdaanan din. And yun, I am sure you can overcome all the struggles and obstacles in life. So yun, happy birthday ulit and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ninyo! Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessing to come. See you soon!
Takes you back, we'll say hallelujah, you're home.
See you soon!
I've left the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ninyo. And congrats nga pala sa graduation mo.
Congrats, Kuya. You did it. And good luck to your next journey. And pagbutin and mag-ingat ka lagi. And kita tayo soon, Kuya. And enjoy your birthday. Congrats, Kuya.
Kuya Ninyo, who did?
God did.
Alam mo, Kuya Ninyo, good luck sa journey mo in life. At huwag mo kalimutan yung promise mo sa akin na ikaw magiging architect ka. Na kukunin ko. May discount ha. Thank you, Kuya Ninyo. Thank you sa mga ginawa mo sa akin yung bata pa. Doon kasama kita. Alam mo na yan. sige kaya.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day kuya ninyo.
Love you kaya.
I love you. Miss you na
See you.
rin.
Dito, sige. Sige, sige. Sige. Happy birthday ka. Sige. Ito, sige. Ay, sige. Sige. Ito, sige. Sige. Oh, sige. Okay lang. Ay, sige. Ito na. Sige. Sit, sit, sige. Sige, treats. Ah, sige. Abay na, sige. Bye-bye.
Happy super birthday to you. Tito Ins.
Happy birthday, Nin! Sorry, wala kami dyan. Ito kasi kami sa Bicol, pero always remember na mahal ka namin ni Happy. Nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Sa inyo, para sa inyo ni Joyce. See you soon! See you sa graduation! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Nino.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nino. Just want to say that we're always here for you. And even if life gets tough, we'll always support you no matter what. Please continue to pursue your dreams. Nandito lang kami.
Happy birthday ninyo! Adopted son namin. Always remember na lagi kami nandito sa iyo. Kailangan mo kami, dito lang kami. We're proud of you also. Ang architect namin, ang pamilya namin. Continue pursuing your dream, marami ka pang mararating. Basta, after graduation mo, punta ka sa amin, may utang kami sa iyo. Happy birthday and congratulations!
Happy birthday ninyo. Always remember, you have a family na nandito lang, hindi ka nag-iisa. And congratulations, advance congratulations on your graduation. Hintayin ka namin dito. Samtip na tayo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Nino, happy birthday. Happy graduation na rin in advance. Congratulations! Isa ako sa mga nagdasal sa iyo na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Sana makakuha ka rin ng magandang award. Maganda ka ng award. Siyempre, nalaman ka na. Wow! Paambon. Wala to. Yun. Natutuwa ako sa iyo. Natutuwa rin ako. Kasi nakakuha ka ng girlfriend. Inalagaan ka niya. May pangarap din sa buhay. Parehas na kayo, di ba? Saya-saya. Tuparin nyo lang yun mga dreams nyo na magkasama kayo. And enjoy nyo lang buhay nyo bilang girlfriend, boyfriend, ganon. Saka kayo muna asawa. Basta darating kayo dyan. Enjoy nyo lang muna yung buhay sa kayo. Ha? Ayun, happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday! Congratulations!
Yeah, baby!
Fighting!